I'm back with another video. I'm back with another laundry motivational video. I just received a requested order. Oh, she's up there. That's this. I think this is this Miss Judy, the older lady I normally do. No, this is another one. Okay, I haven't done her in a while. She lives in not a gated community, an elderly community where you have to be, well, not really elderly, but 60, I think it's 60 and over or 65 and older. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go pick up her laundry. She has 2 bags. And let's go get Miss Judy's laundry order.
Head west on Whitewater Drive.
I'll be back in a second. All right, on our way again to pick up the requested order. I do have 2 regular customers by the name of Miss Judy. They're both older, wiser women. So I'm going to pick up the one I'm picking up now. They live in like a older community. You know, you have to be, I think it's 55 or older, or 60 or older, or something like that. So I'm about to go pick her laundry up. I thought it was the other Miss Judy who lives a little further from where I stay, but it's not her. So let's go pick up these 2 bags, and I'll see you when I get there.
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you let me in? We'll always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise.
Okay, I picked up Miss Judy's laundry, and she was explaining that she had been trying to get someone to do her laundry for the last month. Because I'm wondering why she have so much laundry this time. She have never had this much laundry, and she has new bags. And so I said, oh, you have some new bags. So that's when she told me she'd been having issues with getting someone to answer the phone for her to pick up her laundry. I say answer the phone because, you know, most people, I gotta say 95% of the people that I know that I do their laundry, they do it, you know, through the app on the phone. And this is how we pick up the orders, through the app on the phone. But she said she called. I said, well, how did you place your very first order? And she said a neighbor, which is true. There is a lady across the street. Was it 1 or 2 other people out here? But I know it's one other person out here that I do her laundry. I haven't did her laundry in a while either. So she said that's how she found out about this laundry. So what I told her I would do, which I'm going to write down the information now, trying to find some paper, that I will contact support and let them know. And I've been saying this for a long time. Everybody don't have a computer. Everybody's not, you know, what they call it, don't know the tech, you know, computer tech. They not computer tech savvy. So I don't know why people think everybody, just because one person know, everybody don't know, especially people that's been back in where there was no computers and cell phones and stuff. They're comfortable with how their life is. So don't make it more complicated when they have major issues going on. Number one, their health. So I'm going to see if I can contact support. And this is not a piece of paper I need. And see if I can talk on her behalf about them doing something better for her to get her laundry, because this lady have never ever had this much laundry. So I'll be back, guys, once we get home, or I'll try to let you guys know what they say with the support. It's really like people don't care. If it don't concern them, they don't care. I'm telling her about this lady. She's elderly. She's not computer. Hold on. I'm going to flag due to situation direct service leadership so they can keep an eye out for her voicemails and make sure any future call-in request is turned into a live order quickly as possible. The normal target, while I can't promise an immediate pickup every time, I ask the team to monitor her number and do everything we can to prevent another long delay. I'll circle back here once I've shared. Okay, that sounds more reasonable. I'm not asking for an immediately pickup on her behalf, but I am asking for someone to respond back to her quicker than over a month. This is just a healthcare worker caring about a human being. It's like other people don't care. And I don't know, like I just told them, because I work in healthcare and I work with 90% of my people. I work with elderly people. And so a lot of people don't have empathy for somebody else. They want to quick just put out all these, what I call them, not quick, it's a response, but it's like generic. That's what I call them, generic responses. I don't want a generic response. So I'm going to keep on responding back and keep saying I'm on behalf of this person and because I work in healthcare. So now she, after all that generic, then she said she'll keep a, what she said, she's gonna flag her name and her account every time she calls in, so they can get someone to help her out within 24 to 40 hours, which makes more sense. I mean, everybody is not computer savvy, and I done said this in this message multiple times, and I wish everyone will get that. They don't understand. Everyone does not want to learn about computers. No, I know it's 2026. They don't have to. They don't want to. They're grown people. They didn't live their life. They didn't raise their children. Some of them raise their grandchildren. If they don't want to learn about putting an app on their phone, which some of them don't even have those type of phones. Some of them just have flip phones. Some just still have home phones. And some don't want to learn about computer. And I get it. Don't make them have to do something they don't want to do. They live their life. Let them enjoy the rest of the time they have on God's earth comfortably, easy. Don't make them have to go through all these leaps and bounds just to get some clean clothes. So I'm going to keep being an advocate for someone else, and that's what I kept doing. She kept sending me all this generic responses. I come back, because you have to have empathy for people, and if you don't have empathy for people, people are not going to have empathy for you when you want people to have empathy for you. So I'm glad I finally, this is a narrow street, hopefully I got that situated. I know I kept on until she said she's gonna flag her account every time she comes in and get a response within 24 to 48 hours. We can deal with 1 or 2 days versus over a month. And that's what I asked her. I've never seen Miss Judy with all these clothes. And that's how you have to be. When you doing a job, like I said, I've been doing what it was called such here when I first joined in 2019. And now it's called Poplin. But when you have a heart for people, not only just a job, because this job don't pay a whole lot, but it makes up the difference when I'm short on other things, help pay off bills or do what I need to do. And sometimes people give me good tips of what makes it, equals out, more than equals out of the type of amount of laundry I've done for them. But anyway, it's just crazy that people do not have empathy for their neighbors, their people, other people, just in general. But I'm just gabbling on. It's just that when I got there and I just saw that laundry, and I was like, first thing I said, you got new bags. And then that's when it all started, and she was telling me, she'd been trying to get somebody to come, and no one would pick up the phone. And my thing is, what phone number are you calling? Because we was told there is no direct number. So every time I have to get in contact, I have to go through my app. There's a number, and I know she's not lying because I picked up this lady's laundry multiple times. When I say multiple times, because she's just a friendly old lady, and they're telling me to come on in. I'm like, I don't like going to people, but I did go to stand on the inside at the door. She's very friendly, and she can't hardly hear, so she's very friendly. But I'm going to be an advocate because one day I may need someone to advocate for me. Anyway, we're on our way to start this laundry, and I'll see you when I start the laundry.
We'll always have that sunrise. Daybreak, the shadows fade. You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken, nothing new. Only the sunrise.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is another day. It is Tuesday morning. It's 7:07 a.m. and I have to be to work. I have to be to work. What in the world is this car doing? At 8 o'clock, so we're on our way to drop off the requested order that I picked up on yesterday. And then we'll be on our way to work. Hopefully I have time to stop and get some gas before I have to be to work at 8. If not, I can get it after work. But anyway, I want you guys to come on right along with me as I go drop off Miss Judy's laundry that I picked up on yesterday, and hoping and praying that she will not have issues like she has been with someone being able to go pick up her laundry. So I'll meet you when I get to Miss Judy's house. Tell you, this Poplin app is not good at all. Now, I did this, sorry about that, guys. Did the same thing I did yesterday when I dropped off laundry. I intentionally cut my phone completely off. I'm still trying to take a picture from here. And when I got to the customer house, it just went straight through. Now this one is just keep saying error. Hopefully go through this time. But I'm further out. I don't know if because of the flag they did on her account yesterday, because what I said, but it just keeps saying error. Let me show you guys. It just, I don't even know you guys can see it or not. It just keeps saying error. So I'm gonna have to contact support again, because but I did use my personal camera to take a photo of the dropped off laundry, but I can't take the photo keeps saying error, as you guys saw. But now I'm just gonna have to find something, anything to take a picture of. That way I can be able to close out this order and then upload the picture that I took with my phone camera to them. So when you think something is going to go perfect, because you did the same thing you did the day prior, it don't work. Well, it didn't work for me this time. So anyway, guys, we on our way. Still got time. I'm gonna stop and get some gas, and then I will be on my way to work. I pray you guys have a wonderful Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and I will see you guys. I'm trying to get out of here, sorry, in the next video. And if you're not a part of Mom on a Mission, come be a part of it. It's definitely free. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.